The idea of section 5.4 is to create templates that save you time and create consistency across your communication endeavors with clients and contractors and even employees. Let's take a look at some ideas. There are a couple things that at a minimum you're going to want to already have in place. A service agreement, maybe a basic invoice template. If you're handling sensitive information or hiring contractors, you're going to have that NDA, that non-disclosure agreement typed up, and perhaps even 1099 templates. The goal is be ready to get to work without having to scramble. I remember when I had an in-person business, and we had an agreement plan that people needed to sign where they are being charged automatically each month. Well, rather than printing that out each month, for each client, and having them sign it, we got to scan it and say, what I did was I took a template, laminated that bad boy, and they had a dry erase marker. They'd sign it and date it. We would scan it, give them a copy of that, we'd email it to them, and put it in their file. We didn't have to have them. We didn't have to have manila folders in the old-fashioned filing cabinets. No. Let's get past that. So what ways can you come up with that allows for you to use the template many times? You're only going to build it one time. You can customize it as needed. And you make these a part of your client onboarding, make them part of your staff onboarding. You have a welcome packet. I know what it's like to build an entire welcome packet for every employee that's going to come in. So rather than having to wait at the last minute and build something for that individual, this is a template that I can use. Create onboarding forms for clients. If you're taking on new clients, they're going to have to fill out who they are, what things about them, and agree to a service that you're going to provide to them in a payment plan. Have them saved and ready to go when the time comes. Some of the best practices include getting those templates, especially if they're contracts. You want to get them reviewed by an attorney to make sure there's no loopholes and that you're protecting yourself. And don't save them on your computer. Let's say you have Microsoft Office. You can create a Teams channel in there for new clients. And you can keep a folder in there for all the onboarding documents that you're going to use. And they're already in PDF format. Of course, save your original Word format so you can always edit it. And take those PDFs, modify it for that client, save it in that client's file, send it out to the client. And when they come back in with their signature, you can replace that, or you use e-signature on that file. That's even a better move. And what you want to do, you want to update these templates annually or when your services change. You make sure they're reflecting your current activity, because your business can expand. Well, those documents need to expand along with your business.